In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell stock on Fidelity. Whether you're new to investing or a seasoned trader, understanding how to sell stock is a crucial skill. Fidelity offers a user-friendly platform, ensuring you can manage your investments with ease. Let's dive into the desktop method using the Fidelity website. First, you'll need to log into your Fidelity account. Enter your username and password on the homepage. Remember, keeping your login details secure is vital to protect your investments. Once you're logged in, the next step is to open the trade ticket. Look for the Accounts and Trade tab at the top of the page. Click on it and then select Trade from the drop-down menu. From there, you'll need to choose the account that holds the stock you want to sell. Fidelity may have multiple accounts listed, especially if you have retirement or savings accounts. Make sure to select the correct one to avoid any confusion later. Now enter the stock symbol, also known as the ticker symbol, of the stock you wish to sell. For instance, if you're selling Apple stock, you'd type in AAPL. Once you've entered the symbol, make sure to choose Sell as your action. This tells Fidelity you're looking to sell shares rather than buy. Next up, specify the number of shares you want to sell. It's important to double-check this number to avoid selling more or fewer shares than intended. With that ready, you'll need to choose an order type. The most common choices include a market order, which sells at the best available price, a limit order, which sells only at your specified price or higher, and a stop-loss order, which triggers a sale if the stock falls to a certain price. Each order type has its advantages, so choose the one that aligns with your strategy. After selecting your order type, set the time in force. You have options like day, which expires at the end of the trading day, or good till canceled, commonly known as GTC. This setting is crucial as it determines how long your order stays active. At this point, you'll want to review your order carefully. Click on Preview Order to see all the details laid out, including the stock symbol, the number of shares, the order type, and the estimated proceeds. Reviewing ensures everything looks correct before you commit. If everything checks out, it's time to submit the order. Click on Place Order to finalize the transaction. You'll usually see a confirmation appear, reassuring you that the process is complete. Before you decide to sell, consider a few key factors. Think about capital gains taxes, as selling may incur taxes depending on whether you've held the stock for more than 1 year. This distinction between long-term and short-term gains can affect your tax rate. Also, be aware of any trading fees or restrictions that might apply to specific securities. By understanding these steps and considerations, you can sell stock on Fidelity confidently. Remember, each decision in your investing journey is a step towards your financial goals. Thanks for watching and happy trading.